Hey guys, so today we're learning a basic ponytail braid. For our ponytail braid, we are going to divide our hair into four equal parts. We're going to divide it into four equal parts, that's horizontally and vertically. So when you're done with the straight line, you part a line just behind the ear upwards to the middle of the head. Once you're done with the first part, you repeat it at the second part. So once we're done with our four parts of the hair, we're going to carve a circle just for the middle of the braid. We'll just braid one strand of the hair from each circle so that the cornrow, the ponytail, will balance well on the head. Here I've done the four of them and it's kind of like a circle. So for our first part of the hair, we're going to divide it into two parts and divide each part into two. That is, we are dividing one part into four parts equally. So I decided to just play with my parts. Instead of doing a normal straight cornrow braid, I wanted a zigzag pattern, a zigzag part braid. So I tried it on the mannequin. It came out okay, but because the mannequin wasn't too perfect, the lines weren't that sharp, so I did a spiral braid, a spiral part on the hair. And once you're done with that, I applied my hair gel and I just weaved it, cornrowed it with hair extension. And for the second part, I also did the same thing of cutting it just like an S shape. And then you weave it up together just to make the braid beautiful. So here I'm just weaving and weaving and weaving. And once you're done with the first two, you just repeat it at the second part of the braid of the hair that you cut. So we'll just cut it into two and do the same zigzag line just to make it a little pretty. So you part it into two and you make the zigzag line. You're just going to curve your comb, and at the point you open it and you see the zigzag line, just like I'm doing right now. So once you're done with parting your zigzag line, you just weave it. So I'm done with this part of the braid, and we're just going to keep on repeating the process for the hair. It's just that simple. Once you're done with it, you part your zigzag lines and weave your braid together. So guys, as you can see, I am done with the first part of my four box. So for the second part, we just repeat the same process over the hair, and for the third and the fourth part of the braid. As you can see, I'm done with the whole back of the hair. it's already coming out very pretty with the zigzag lines. So we're just going to repeat it for the next part of the hair. So here I'm almost done with the hair. It's just 2 braids left, and this is the hair I've done so far. So you just do the same thing of parting a straight line, and then you part your zigzag line through the straight line, just so your braids will come out very pretty. So when you're done with that, you just weave your braids together. Just make a very pretty weave through your cornrow. And we're just going to repeat the process for the last braid of the hair. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy it's coming out very pretty. I need you guys to actually like try it, because I just feel it's best to play with your party. It must not just be that straight cornrow braid. You can add a zigzag line, you can add a snake design, you can add a heart, a star, a flower to your cornrow ponytail braid, or any cornrow at all. So guys, here I am done with the braid. I'm done with the cornrow ponytail, and it looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. I didn't want to braid the tip, so here is the final look of my cornrow ponytail with zigzag lines. So I hope you guys like it. I need you to try it. It looks very pretty, and I'm very sure it's going to look so much prettier on a human.